Hello everyone and welcome to Unit 3. Unit 2 established how context is important in development interventions by looking at systems, power and norms. This unit considers the first step in the design of development interventions, namely the diagnosis of the problem. It does this by first examining how change has been considered historically in international development communities. Through examining this, we can see that historical dominant beliefs about what works in development have often ignored or neglected context in their prescription of development policies. The unit then revisits how we define a development problem, drawing on the principles we discussed in the Policy Analysis and Process module in Term 3. Specifically, we are going to look at how positivist and constructivist approaches to development policy create different interpretations of the perceived problem. It's really easy to make assumptions about what a problem might be. To use the example we discussed in the previous unit, we might make the assumption that someone is poor because they are lazy and don't work hard enough. This would result in a diagnosis of the poverty problem as being an individual's disinclination to work. However, this is a bad diagnosis of the problem, as we know from research that poverty is far more complex than just the individual's desire and ability to work. So defining the problem correctly and diagnosing the problem correctly is really important in order to create effective solutions to the problem. To help us to do this, we are going to discuss a common tool used for diagnosing problems in development, which is called the problem tree. Problem tree analysis helps us understand what the root causes of a problem are, and therefore is a good place to start when we think about how we can create change.